Earnings season isn't quite done yet, and this week there are a couple companies with outstanding earnings charts. I took a look to find out who are the earnings all-stars this week. Some of the names are really familiar. Some you might be kind of surprised. So let's dive right in. First one out the gate is the one I was kind of most surprised about, at least what the chart is doing, American Eagle. So it only has those two misses going back the last 5 years, and otherwise it's got a great earnings track record. So that's where the all-star part comes in. And then just the amazing chart, if you were kind of a gambling man there in 2017 on a lot of these retailers, your gamble really paid off because these shares are soaring now, and we will see if it gets even further boost from this earnings report. Then we're switching over to the tech side again. Salesforce, what more can you say here? It's just a tremendous chart, no misses since our data began in 2015 with this one. Shares are breaking out to new highs like a lot of the techs right now. So this one's hot, 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 and everybody's going to be watching it this week. Then, basically, one of the premier retailers that doesn't get the glory, Burlington Stores. It went IPO back in 2013. You can barely see the start of the chart right there. And then it's beat or met every quarter since then. That's an impressive run, given what's been happening in retail the last couple of years. And look at those shares, just breaking out to new highs. Is it too hot to handle? We're going to find out. And then another addition to this week's charts that I was kind of surprised about is Lululemon. These shares have really taken off here in 2018 as well. So the company looks back on track with its premier yoga products, plus big push into men's clothing as well. Just has only those two misses back in 2015 and one time in 2017. But again, just like American Eagle, if you bought on those lows in 2017, you're sitting pretty nicely here. And then we're going to round it out with another retailer. This is one I bring almost every earnings season, Ulta. Now, they just had the one miss earlier in 2018, and that was a surprise because otherwise they have the great track record going back to 2015. But these shares have really stalled out. People are kind of scared about where the growth is going to come from with Ulta. Has a little bit higher multiple, and can they kind of switch the street's thinking on what the outlook's going to be for the next couple of years? I don't know. We're going to find out. This is one I own in my own personal portfolio, as most of you know, and so I'll be tuning in just like you. So we're seeing a lot of hot charts. These are the earnings all-stars with a great chart outlook, except for maybe Ulta that's a little stalled there, but we'll see if they can turn it around. Otherwise, we've got some breakouts going, and you don't want to miss a single thing. Now, we're at the end of earnings season, basically, so I'm going to be wrapping it up here as far as the charts go, but be sure to tune in on our Twitter page, on StockTwits, because I'll be tweeting out any of the kind of random charts that people are reporting kind of the off season. You can find them all over there. And I'll be back again next earnings season with all of these video charts yet again. So you don't want to miss a single thing. Be sure to subscribe over on YouTube, on our YouTube channel, on Zacks Investment Research on YouTube. And until next earnings season, then I'll see you.